What's up, everybody? Vaughn here with Unlimited Freedom, and we're doing an update tonight on VORTIC United. Okay, VORTIC United is one of the crypto currency programs, platforms that I'm involved in, and I'm really excited about this one. But before we get into it, I'm not a financial advisor, okay? I'm not your financial advisor, and this is not financial advice, okay? We're talking about cryptocurrency here. And I'm just sharing with you what I'm doing, sharing the different platforms that I'm, part of, and where I'm, making progress. I'm sharing my progress with you, right? And so, if you're interested in any of the VORTIC United or any of the other platforms that I talk about on here, just go in the description. There's links to every single platform. I share all the links in the description. So if you are interested, just click the link and you can learn more, right? It doesn't cost you anything to click a link. It doesn't cost you anything to go on here and just get deeper into these sites. So I've got the VORTIC United pulled up right now, and I'm looking at my dashboard, and I want to give you guys a couple of updates here. I'm going to go into my history, and I just want to show you that I just ranked up. So I ranked up to partner. And basically, the way that you rank up with VORTIC United is you just tell people about it, right? And then you just share it, tell people about it, talk about it, however, and then whoever's interested will jump on, and then you get recognized by the company and you rank up. So I got a nice I got a 2 rank change bonuses, which both came in today. One was for 250 USDT, and the other one was for 50 USDT. So that's pretty nice. Again, that's just bonus. So that's on top of like the other stuff that the program does. Now my portfolio has been going along fabulously. I'm getting my returns in every single day. So I started my journey here on January 10th, so earlier last month with VORTIC United. And since I bought my first package, I have been getting a deposit into my account every single day. Okay, and I bought package number 1, which I'll go over the packages with you and let you know how those all break down and how those all work. Okay, and so today I went ahead and purchased 2 more packages. Okay, I purchased one, one for 300 USDT and another one for 500 USDT. Okay, and so I now have 3 packages, or 3 portfolios, right? Because they call them portfolios at VORTIC United. And so I'm pretty happy about that. I mean, I jumped up from having just the 1 portfolio, which was performing every day, to now I have 3 portfolios, which are going to be performing every day, because guess what? VORTIC United deposits your USDT every day. Okay, so it's not like some of the other platforms where they deposit once a week or once a month. Some of the platforms will airdrop you some crypto once a month. This one every single working day, every business day, guys. So pretty cool deal there. So yeah, just a couple of updates there. One was the rank up, and the other one was that I did purchase 2 new portfolios, which I will go over that with you in just a second. Let me see if there's anything else that I want to touch on here. Let's see. So it will show you your balance, right? It'll show you your balance in your wallet, and then it will also show you your balance in your portfolios, right? And then if you click on, there's a tab called History. Click on that, and boom, it shows you every single transaction, right? So there's like nothing is secretive, nothing is shrouded in mystery, right? They show you everything, right? It's all right there. The website is just beautifully designed. You've got the daytime site and the nighttime site. Very pleasing to the eye. Everything is right. Your dashboard, it's like you're right there in the control room, and you can see everything that's going on with your account. So like I said, I don't know. This is just one of my favorite platforms, VORTIC United. So I'm now a partner. My career status is partner. And yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and get into some more information about this, and I'm going to pull up my presentation. And the cool thing about VORTIC United is they've got the presentation available on the site, right? So if you want to share about it, or you don't know what to say, or if like you want to learn more about it, you can pull up the presentation right there. So very cool. So basically, VORTIC United is institutional trading systems. Okay, we're dealing with trading, and this is cryptocurrency trading. So we're talking about USDT, we're talking about Bitcoin, and we're talking about cryptocurrency. Okay, this platform is crypto in, crypto out. So we're not doing anything with fiat currency here. You would transfer your fiat over to crypto, then you would fund your or purchase a portfolio with VORTIC United. Your portfolio will grow in crypto. Then you can pull that crypto out, pull your profits out, back to your crypto wallet, and then convert it into fiat currency if you so choose to do that. But what you have to understand about USDT is it's tethered to the US dollar, and basically one USDT would be equal to one fiat currency dollar. So that's pretty much how that works. If you don't know a whole lot about cryptocurrency, if you've never been involved in cryptocurrency, if you don't know how to like get crypto, convert your dollar to crypto, stuff like that, this is not the video for you, but you can click in the description. There's a link to IM Academy, and they've got a whole crypto program there. Now, IM Academy is not cheap, not easy. However, if you really want to learn about this stuff, go ahead and get the crypto program. I think it's like $150 a month. You can learn everything that you need to know about it, and then once you're done, you can move on and do something else, or you can continue. If you like the if you like that particular platform, which is an educational platform, IM Academy. Link in the description. Okay, so institutional trading systems, accessible to everyone, VORTIC United. Okay, that's what it's all about. You got a powerful team right by your side, and I'll talk a little bit about Jensen Robles, the CEO. Jensen Robles is European, meaning he lives in Europe, right? And here's a quote from him, right? Crypto enables any person willing to deal with its possibilities to live a free and independent life. So, guys, as you know, my channel here is called Unlimited Freedom, and I'm all about financial freedom and being free and being independent, right? Independence is very important, and let's face it, the more currency you have, whether that's cryptocurrency or other, the more independent you can be, and the more free that you can be, because you have that energy, so to speak, to do the things that you need to do, right? To open the doors that you need to open. Okay, so it's a great quote from Jensen. This guy is just a solid trader. He's a cryptocurrency trader, and he is rocking and rolling. He's making profit in the trading game. And instead of just keeping it all to himself, he has created this platform, VORTIC United, so that other people can benefit from his profitable trading. And he's listed out different portfolios that you can buy with USDT. And then, like I said, every single day, you get your returns, right? So it's just good stuff. And now something else that I wanted to mention about this Jensen Robles is there was just a team of entrepreneurs. I just heard about this from my upline. There was a team of entrepreneurs that flew out to where this guy is in like the Netherlands, wherever he is in Europe, met him, right? And sat there with him and hung out with him and watched him trade, to verify that, yes, trading is taking place, right? This guy's rocking it. He's doing what he said he's doing. They met the guy. They had a great positive, interaction, and now they're just like on fire for VORTIC United to share this with people. So that's a pretty cool story. I just like the idea that somebody actually, on their own money, they took an airplane flight, they flew out to where this guy is, they met him, they hung out with him, and they watched him trade behind the scenes. That's how you do it, right? That's how you do it. Okay, so the crypto market, guys. In recent years, cryptocurrencies have established themselves on the market while experiencing tremendous growth. On average, we could observe a significant increase each year. This is just since crypto's been around, right? According to studies, this establishment, cryptocurrency, will continue to grow over the next few years. By 2025, total capitalization is expected to grow tenfold. So that's total capitalization tenfold. So that's like exponential growth that is projected for this market. Now, market volatility. This is so important, guys. The crypto market is one of the most volatile markets with fluctuations of up to 100% in short periods of time. This means that appropriate risk management becomes a challenge. Okay, with a proper strategy and considering and eliminating all risks, however, this increased volatility can prove to be very profitable and offers many opportunities. Let me just translate that. If you're not a professional crypto trader, Jensen Robles is. And he is having success and he is having consistent profits. So you can buy a package here, you can buy a portfolio here, you can come in to VORTIC United, and you don't have to be a crypto trader. You don't have to risk those huge losses, right? You can benefit from somebody who is a professional who's already getting it done, right? Now, as you guys know about me, I am a trader. I do my own trading. I worked long and hard and spent a lot of money and a lot of time learning how to do that, right? And I'm glad that I did because it's an awesome skill. And that would be Roscoe. Quiet, buddy. Shh. No, not right now. Papa's doing a presentation. Okay, so let's see, where was I? Yeah, so I'm a trader myself, okay? And basically, it was hard to learn. I took a lot of losses. I took a lot of hits. It took a lot of time. It costs a lot of money, right? And so if you don't want to go through that, I completely understand. Now, the upside of that, the upswing to that is that I'm a very profitable trader on my own, and I'm very, very, very grateful to be able to share that with you, okay? And I'm just glad that I have the skill because basically what that means, if any of these platforms went away tomorrow, I'd still be able to jump into the market and trade, right? So if you're interested in learning that, click the link to IM Academy in the description, right? That's the one that I went through. That's why I'm sharing it, right? It worked for me, helped me to learn, right? So there it is. So let's get back to this. We talked about the market volatility. Let's talk about VORTIC United. So the expert traders perform at their best each and every day to help you achieve your financial goals. Now, that's not just traders. That's also the support that this website has, right? You've got it on the bottom right of the screen. You've got a chat box where you can chat with support in real time and receive an answer back from them in 24 hours or less. Now, it took me a lot less when I was chatting with support. I've hit them up a couple of times just to chat with them. Shout out to VORTIC United for having a strong support structure built into the system right away, right from the jump. That's smart, right? And I was not so smart when I first joined up because there's a couple things I couldn't figure out. I had some stupid questions, but as I teach on this channel, there's no stupid questions, guys. And they were totally respectful. They were totally cool, and they answered my questions. And so I'm just really stoked about it. I'm happy that they have that support, and that's part of managing a company, hiring employees, delegating responsibility, and VORTIC United seems to be doing that. Security is our top priority, which is why we work with diversified portfolios that are managed exclusively with our latest and proven strategies. So one thing about strategies and proven strategies is when you're a trader, you have to develop and stick to a certain strategy, right? The number one reason why people fail at trading is because they change their strategy every week, every month, right? Every couple of months. They're constantly changing their strategy, so they're never really making any headway. But finding a profitable strategy and sticking with it, right, and exercising discipline, that's the way to really grow these accounts. And that's what they're doing at VORTIC United, okay? So some of the key competencies about this company, and I can attest to this from being part of it, they're customer oriented, right? Like I told you with the chat box, with the friendly support of prompt service, right? Beautiful website. It's never crashed. I've never opened it up and it hasn't been there. Nothing like that ever since I've been a part of this. They're meticulous, which you can really tell, right? When somebody really cares about what they're doing, it shows in everything that they do. and trustworthy. So as far as trustworthiness goes with these types of crypto platforms, I will say this word. Never invest with Tether, or never invest with cryptocurrency that you're not okay to lose, right? You cannot over leverage yourself in any platform, right? These platforms do come and go, okay? And so this one has just got so much potential, and I would love to see this stick around for a long time. And I think that it will, right? But having said that, you never invest with cryptocurrency that you can't afford to lose, right? That's just not how you do it, right? So once you put your crypto into a platform, you need to think in your head, okay, that crypto is gone. It's gone, right? I have bought into this, I've bought this portfolio, I've spent the crypto, it's gone. Now, what you're doing is you're growing your crypto, and you're wanting to reap the benefit of that and increase your cryptocurrency and then pull it out at the end. And that's what we all want to do, right? But if that doesn't happen, you shouldn't be going and feeling like it's the end of the world, because you were leveraging yourself properly, and you never invested more than you could afford to lose. Let's talk about the vision, okay? So our vision is clear and unambiguous, and this is VORTIC United leadership speaking. VORTIC United will be one of the first reliable investment communities that will simplify this highly complex market and let everyone benefit from its potential. Our main goal is to create a community that benefits from the different aspects of the crypto market. Our entire community will benefit from unique opportunities, and we will have a significant impact on the crypto market with our upcoming projects. Okay, so how do they generate the profit, right? How do they generate the profit? So to secure the investments of our clients, we work with a strategy based on diversification and focused on profitability. There's two important points, right? Diversification means you're not putting all your eggs into the same basket, right? And profitability means you've gotten yourself a proven strategy that's profitable over time. It's measurable, it's testable, and it's profitable. Right? So those two key components, put them together, and you've got a recipe for success in anything that you do. Trading decisions are made based on a 3-point analysis. So they're going to talk a little bit about their technical analysis. Basically, they do order flow analysis, they do on-chain analysis, and they do technical analysis. So if you're interested in trading, you love those terms, right? And I'm big into all of that myself. Technical analysis is great. So basically what technical analysis is charting. So they're based on reoccurring trend patterns, right? So you're looking at the charts, and there's certain reoccurring patterns, and you can learn this stuff, but you should never try to do this if you're not ready and you don't know what you're doing, right? Leave it to the professionals. Okay, that's my advice. For us, technical analysis is part of the decision-making process for a possible trade. Hey, man, me too. I use technical analysis before I get into any trade. On-chain analysis. So Bitcoin is the #1 cryptocurrency, okay? And altcoins move in correlation to Bitcoin, meaning USDT moves in correlation to Bitcoin. All transactions can be viewed transparently on the blockchain. Okay, transaction behavior can be processed and visualized with the help of on-chain indicators. Right? Since these data are based on facts and events, not only on probabilities, valuable information can be gained and used for trading. Okay, this is super smart, super deep stuff, right? Of actually analyzing the blockchain. Overflow analysis, we mainly use order flow trading to manage portfolios. So order flow trading is based on market data and is used by institutions and professional trading firms. It is considered one of the most sophisticated but reliable strategies, and basically a deep analysis of supply and demand. Okay, while most traders in the crypto market rely on technical analysis only, right, the analysis of order books and order flow can be a decisive advantage. So you're combining all of these things to make yourself more advantageous as a trader. Gather more information to make better decisions. So investors. Right? Investing in cryptocurrency is not an easy case for private and institutional investors. We just talked about that, as there are many factors that can have a big impact on the overall market. If you are not actively involved with cryptocurrencies, it's almost impossible to manage the risk associated with them. So, to minimize the risk and your time, and this is VORTIC United speaking, we take care of your portfolio and increase your profits. Okay? Now let's get into the portfolios that VORTIC United offers. Okay, so investment portfolios. We cannot promise you a fixed return, as our performance is variable depending on the market situation. But based on our average past results, we can give you approximate expectations. Now, let's talk about the portfolios themselves. These are the things that you actually would purchase from VORTIC United. The investment portfolios have a fixed term which depends on the portfolio. As soon as a portfolio reaches the end of its term, it expires and it no longer generates returns. In this case, 80% of the deposit is returned to you and credited to your account. Okay, so not only do you get all of your profits, you get 80% of your initial deposit back at the end of the term. That's good. That's good stuff. Now, except for the compounding portfolio. The compound portfolio is a compound interest portfolio. This means you will receive the profits generated on working days only after the expiration of the portfolio, together with 80% of your deposit amount. Well, that means with the compound one, you've got to wait. And the duration of the compound portfolio is 32 weeks. Okay, 32 weeks. That's just shy of 3 years. Okay. Portfolio A, this is my preferred one, and I like it because you can start as low as 50 USDT, which is great because I talk to people all over the world, guys, and a lot, guys, in the West, we have, we think of 50 USDT as not a lot of money, but there are places in this world where 50 USDT, people work long and hard for 50 USDT. Right? And so it's a blessing for them to be able to take 50 USDT and make it grow. They don't have 500. They don't have 1,000. Right? Now, if you do have that, that's great. Now, I've bought 3 portfolios using Portfolio A, which has a return of 0.6 through 0.8% every single day on work days. And it is performed so far. The minimum investment is USDT 50. And this has a duration of 46 weeks, right? That means it will continue to be profitable for 46 weeks. Then at the end of the 46 weeks, I'll get 80% of my initial deposit and I'll be able to buy more portfolios, right? And get in it again. Okay? Portfolio B has a 0.8 to a 1% workday profit every single working day. That has a minimum investment of 2,500 USDT and it's a 40-week duration. Portfolio C, you have a return of 1% through 1.2% every single workday. And that's a great return. Minimum investment is 10,000 USDT, and this is a 36-week program duration. Your compounding portfolio, it has a return of 1.8% on workdays, which compounds. It's compound interest. A minimum starting investment of 5,000 USDT. And it's 32 weeks, and you have to wait for the entire 32 weeks with the compound portfolio. With the other portfolios, you can pull out your profit as needed, as desired. I haven't pulled out any yet, but I don't really want to because I enjoy seeing the profit coming in every day, and I like seeing my numbers grow. So what kind of payments do they accept? So your withdrawal request will be processed every Monday, and credited to your wallet within 48 hours. Payouts are subject to a 5% fee. So if you want to make a withdrawal, do it on Mondays. Okay? VORTIC United accepts Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Tether, or USDT. Now, some people might be interested in getting into a career with VORTIC United. So in addition to proven portfolios, and this is VORTIC United speaking, we also developed an innovative sales platform that gives you access to our lucrative partner program. Right now, I just got into the partner program, guys, and it is very nice. Right? I have never had a company do more for their people than I've seen VORTIC United do in terms of giving bonuses, of making it easy, right? Giving you a smooth platform, easy to talk about, easy to share, easy for people to sign up, and it's all automated, right? So you're just going and you're growing as you're sharing, right? It's a whole other income source that you can derive from this. You get direct commissions. Let's go ahead and go over the commissions. So on level 1, you get a 10% commission. That means if somebody buys a $50 package, you get $5, right? So on and so forth. Okay, that's pretty cool. They give you a flat 10% commission, and it's and that's 100% of people who buy on that first level. And then the levels go down, right? So when people buy underneath them, you still get a commission, right? The commissions go down as the levels go down, right? But it's like you're receiving commissions for people who you never know, you're never going to meet, right? And it's just somebody shared it, and then somebody else shared it, and on down the line, and it comes up through the line up to 15 levels, okay? If a person from your downline acquires a portfolio, you will receive a commission as a percentage of the acquisition price. The volume count specifies how much percent of the sales amount in a certain level will be counted as qualified turnover for the rank up requirements. Okay, here's the ranks. Investor. We all start as an investor. Then you become an agent. Next, you become a partner. I just became a partner today. Next is operator, manager, director, and president. Okay. You get daily residual commissions. So you can build passive income, as you can also earn commissions each time someone from your downline earns daily profits from their portfolio. So that means, so when somebody in my downline earns a profit, I earn a commission off of that profit. So let's say somebody in my downline signed up for $500, right? I get that first $50, the 10%, and that's a flat commission, and then every time they earn $50 in their earnings, well, that's another $5 that go to me, right? So we're not only benefiting from bringing the people in, we're also benefiting as they benefit. So it's a real incentive to help people, because as their account grows, our account grows. As the people who share VORTIC United. And rank rewards. I ranked up twice, so I got my $50 bonus for agent, or excuse me, 50 USDT, and then I got my 250 USDT bonus for partner. Once you hit operator, it's 1K, manager 4K, director 8K, president 20K, and if you go above president, you can get a 50,000 USDT bonus for Sapphire, 160,000 for Ruby, 300,000 for Emerald, and 700,000 USDT for Diamond. Okay, so as you're sharing, as your people are growing, right, you will also grow in rank, and you'll get those additional bonuses. So thank you for your time, right? If you do have any questions, the link is in my description, so you can just go click on the link to VORTIC United. You can explore everything for yourself, right? And you can do whatever you choose to do. If you choose to sign up, that's great. If you choose not to, that's fine too. I'm not telling you what to do, right? I'm not giving any financial advice here. You just do whatever you're comfortable with and whatever seems right to you. I'm just sharing with you my story and my excitement about this, because it's just worked, guys. It's one of those things that has just been working, right? And I haven't run into any problems. And me, guys, if I run into problems, I'm going to talk about it, right? So really, really cool opportunity. As always, guys, have a great one. Take care, and we'll see you on the next one.